Experts have spoken highly of the significance of China's green development, as the country is making great efforts in achieving harmonious coexistence between humans and nature.
The Chinese style of modernization has a lot of benefits, and we have a lot to learn from the Chinese style of modernization. It is strengthened the unity of various ethnic groups, so it has also a great benefit for ensuring coexistence between human being and nature. Within it, we can find a green development strategy in order to ensure sustainable development that would enable us to ensure shared prosperity for all.
Дело в том, что вообще концепция зеленого развития – это одна из самых вообще тяжелых и сложных концепций для любой страны. Она будет давать именно в будущем отдачу, потому что это здоровье людей, это правильная среда обитания. Вот переход на зеленую концепцию – это вообще другой уровень развития цивилизации, это другой уровень сознания. Это вообще принятие зеленой концепции говорит о том, что Китай задает тренды для многих других стран, как государств, это именно государственная концепция, как государство заботится о своих будущих поколениях.
You know, you've seen concepts like the eco-civilization become really mainstream in China. People understand what it means now. It's not just a high-level concept. And so I think the way that nature protection has become a high priority is fantastic.
So for China, I think one thing that's very positive is that overall the country has made a very powerful and important decision that we will protect and we will try to do whatever it takes and we will make sure that we preserve the improvement of lifestyles of people in that process.